amazing Grace and welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to make a spring roll. It's because I got an order from our neighbor and they need a spring roll for the party, which is the christening of their first grandson. But before anything else, to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. Anyway guys, ganito yon. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and how many I am supposed to make 80 for them. And another, I have 2 orders anyway. So this time, I have to make a lot, and these 2 types of spring rolls. One is chicken and one is the normal meat or the pork. So be with me and I'm going to show you how to make spring rolls and how to earn money doing this as a sideline. This is it guys. I'm going to show you the ingredients of our spring rolls. Of course, we need the meat. We have 2 types of meat. We have this pork and we have chicken. Then we are going to have vegetables on it. We have carrots. We have spring onions. We have onions. And we have our garlic. Of course, I have a lot, but I only take a little bit for a while because I don't want to have any mess on my table. I just showing you the ingredients, and of course we also need the egg. There it is. And we're going to have salt, pepper, and soya sauce. This is only for making our dye or the ingredients that we're going as a filling for our Lumpiang Shanghai. And we need also, of course, the cutting board. We have a sharp knife and we have also a peeler to peel our vegetables. Of course, some people, they can add toge or sprouted beans, but here in Norway, we are very careful when it comes to beans or any seeds coming from a bean. It's because many have what you call allergy, so we need to be very careful. And after that, when it's done, you need to fry. You need oil to fry it because deep fry guys is the best. And then we have a sweet chili sauce for our spring rolls, but that's later on. I'm going to show you how it's done. Lay the wrapping paper like this. Yes, this way. In a flat surface, like this cutting board I'm using. Let me take out my jacket first. And then you're going to take the filling. I use 1 full tablespoon. Sometimes I flatten like that. Not flat, so flat. Then I roll it. After I add some. Yeah, this way. Roll it this way. Just follow me. Put the sides together and roll it over. Then you can use water to close. That's all. It's so simple, right? See, it's holding. And let's try another. Let me put this on our plate. So that's it. Or find something like this. Crunchy. Yum.